Hello YouTube community, this is Sammy from California with the update on the 66 Ford Fairlane 427. I got the motor done, and this kit is full of details that it's unbelievable. As you can see the motor, let me get a something to point with. It's got linkages. Got a oil filter and a gas pump, individuals. Let's see if I can turn it here. It's got a distributor. It's got the two carburetors. There's a lot of detail to them. Oil filter, oil, what do they call that thing? Put the oil in it. So, oh yes, it also has a coil right there. So, the rest of the kit, I mean, it's got some good details on the interior and exterior. One thing I wanted to bring up though was on the cylinder of the motor. There's a picture that is incorrect. See that item number 40, the water pump. Well, this part right here. Let me get my pointer again. That part right there is actually on the opposite side. It's not in that direction, so it gets a little confusing trying to figure out how to put it. And but I got it in there. It's exactly where it's supposed to be. So, anyways, that's it. I couldn't be any more happier after dealing with that 63 Corvette. And so anyways, hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and everybody have a good day.